Welcome back for another couple of days that we did in Aitutaki. We started off just taking a walk down the beach and just start off the morning. Why not, right? Our friends told us this hill across the street from where we were staying, there's a road just down on the right that we could take up and see the views from up on top. So we decided to take one of the scooters that their friends lent us and explore the island a little bit more. As you can expect, the views up here were fantastic. And Bernadette found those little weeds that close up when you touch them, so she's showing that here. Decided to head over to the other side of the island where they had this beautiful channel. Just this on the right is another island, and you just have the small channel in between. They used to have a bridge that got destroyed, so the only way to go across is like a little, I don't even know what you call it, just like a barge, I guess. But this place was gorgeous. There's a lot of water flowing through, so it almost seemed like a river. Right on the edge, we saw at least 5 of these eels. I think they're snowflake eels. They were hunting and fishing, and we could watch it all just right from the shore. Remember in the last video I talked about how they were growing corals and clams, and this is a clam farm that's kind of on one of the ends of at the end of the airport. You can go back there. There was nobody there. We just were looking around the tanks, and this beach is just beyond it, and it was just a gorgeous flat glassy water, really beautiful. That night we celebrated Bernadette's birthday by going out to dinner. Had a great meal, and Kathy's friends made these beautiful headpieces that they were able to wear going out to eat. After the birthday celebrations and under a bright full moon, we were looking for coconut crabs. They have these giant claws. They are everywhere on the side of the road. The locals come out sometimes and collect them and eat them.
Blind it, grab it from behind. Yeah. No, I'm chicken.
Now we get them from the back of the...
I'm gonna end this one here, and the next one we'll have another day on a vaca cruise. Has more aerial stuff, but this is one of the most gorgeous sunsets I've seen. You're awesome. Liked it. Woo!